Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist, busy with many artistic objects as art from other authors and myself too. I'm busy right now with one of the mosaics, what actually is a mystic motif of dragon, what I called green dragon, darkness. Inspiration for this dragon is coming from knowing the nature, living and working in Africa for a long time. The big, powerful and dangerous snakes like a black mamba, like a green mamba, actually with very attractive and scary colors. Snakes growing up to 4 meters and more, fast moving, very danger, and this dragon is actually in the colors combination of the black and the green mamba. I will go now on with the application of the colors, what will be basic for applying mosaic cubes, chips, and going on with a real mosaic. I hope you will enjoy it. I hope you see well. Actually, mostly, as I said, they are green color, and the green mamba is actually beautiful, nearly fluorescent green snake, very elegant but deadly, fast moving, coming fast from the tree and on the ground in a high speed, moving with a powerful body, moving very fast. It's actually what I'm trying to add on my art is just the energy of the mamba, and as you can see, this is the body of the strong anaconda, what is actually killing by squeezing potential food. That means as a just very mystic, very special way, like many artists are going in the area that other people don't go. We have to mix a little bit of different colors, what actually I think will give me what I'm looking for. Not really thinking much, because my thinking actually, and I don't know how people, the common commercial critics and so, they call it inspiration and intellect participation, what I think does not exist very much with artists. They just do by the special instinct from inside, and my hand looking as it looks is doing like as a brain in my hand, just going on with the colors, and at once the is looking, okay, this is probably too much, and is going to another place. I don't push my hand to go there, it's just going to another area. Only thing what I have in my mind is a memory of black mamba moving, and I had myself personal experience. Not to fight, you have to remove the snake from the property and let her go somewhere, what I did. This is actually what I have in my mind as a black mamba running away from my yard in Africa. This is not a final, obviously, it is just what I'm trying to convince my hand that we are coming closer to what should be, and with the mosaic chips itself will change slightly, because we will never have exactly the color, but we have to compromise and to come to the end with some beautiful spectre. Well, I hope you enjoy that work. I will go on, and my video stops here. I wish you all the best in your project. When I will do much more progress on the body of the dragon, I will record another video. Thank you for watching. All the best for your projects.